Hey, this is Mix Coloma and welcome to Kasama Ko La Channel.
First question, Mix, is what kind of creative activities are you involved in and what is your occupation?
I'm involved in, I love to do sports. So I do badminton, basketball, and swimming and other different types of sports. But the most I do is badminton and basketball. My occupation is I'm an actor and a performer. I'm an actor in the showbiz industry such as the GMA, ABS, and other networks. And I'm a performer in sa mga fiestas, mga shows, events, concerts.
Okay, as you mentioned na nagpe-perform ka sa and may show ka sa GMA and ABS-CBN, can you name some of your shows, and also if you have may film ka na ba na nag-appear ka or nagawa ka?
Mga shows that I've appeared in, mostly sa GMA, so mga teleserye doon, such as Lolong, Little Princess, Maria Clara at Ibarra, Bolera, Pepito Manaloto, Abot Kamay ng Pangarap. Marami pa pero yun lang yung mga natatandaan ko. And sa movies naman, I recently starred in sa indie film Pitik Bulag, and then also sa Here Comes the Groom. Ayun.
How about TV show appearances?
TV shows such as noontime shows sa TV5 Dance Out Loud. Nag-compete ako doon as sa Buhay Artista. Naging monthly finalist ako doon. And sa Showtime recently nung February sa Especially For You.
Okay, that is great. So, what prompted you to start expressing yourself?
What prompted me to start expressing myself back in 2017? That was when I was starting i-pursue yung showbiz. So, I started sa mga workshops. Una sa modeling workshop. So, doon na-express yung sarili ko. Ano talaga, kung paano ako, paano ako makita yung real world. Kasi syempre, dati sa school lang ako. Ngayon, nagtatrabaho as an actor, an artist. So, doon ako natuto. Doon ako nagkaroon ng marami experiences.
And what emotions and thoughts do you put into your creative activities?
Usually the emotions that I have, of course, I try to keep myself composed and happy kasi hindi mo magagawa yung trabaho mo or the things that you do if you're not happy, diba? So, as much as you can, I try to stay happy, excited, motivated, and of course, inspired sa kung ano man ginagawa ko.
Okay, so how do you stay happy if meron kang mga challenges na na-experience?
For me kasi, nandun yung emotions talaga, what you feel. Pero minsan kasi, nandun yung it's by choice. It's a choice din if you want to be happy or not. If you would dwell sa mga nararanasan mong challenges sa buhay mo, nasa sa'yo yun kung magpapalulong ka sa problema na yun. So, as much as I can, nilalabanan ko yung sarili ko na just to be happy.
Okay, that is nice. And which artists have influenced you?
Yung mga artists na nag-influence sa akin sa international, such as si Justin Bieber, si Jason Derulo, Chris Brown kasi they're not just singers but also dancers din. Michael Jackson yan. Local artists, sa mga actors naman sila Piolo Pascual, sila Coco Martin, sila Kuya Ruru Madrid, sila Paul Salas. Sa mga singers naman, yan sila Michael Pangilinan, yan sila Daryl Ong, Chris Lawrence. Yan.
Baka pwede ka naman mag-sample ng short lines ng sample ng songs ng idols mo.
Sige. Ito, chill lang. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep you warm in your love, and you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down, and they all should let us be. We belong to you and yeah.
Nice. So, thank you for giving us a sample of your song.
No problem. Thank you.
Okay, so what have been the most enjoyable and difficult aspects of your creative activities?
For me, doon muna tayo sa enjoyable. So what is sa pinakamahirap? Kasi I believe, dumadaan muna tayo sa mahirap bago tayo magkasiyahan. So yung pinakamahirap sa ginagawa ko is syempre yung practicing yung mga songs or yung mga piece, yung mga scripts na binibigay sa akin, memorizing, internalizing, practicing in front of other people, getting critics from other people, what to improve on. And then the good part is once you've honed yourself, na nagawa mo na lahat ng part mo na pagpa-practice, doon mo na ma-enjoy yung pagbibigay ng kasiyahan, entertaining them with how you act, how you portray this character, or paano mo kakantahin tong kanta na to. So I think hindi lang work to, pero dito talaga ako nag-enjoy kasi parang ako naglalaro, and mahilig akong magbigay ng ngiti sa mga tao, kasiyahan sa mga tao.
Okay, so since you are a Filipino artist, what do you think about Philippine culture?
Well, dito sa Pilipinas, maraming culture. Pero one of my favorite cultures is, of course, being hospitable. Kasi I think that's isa sa mga pinaka-importanting traits, hindi lang bilang Pilipino, pero I think everyone should have that trait sa isang tao, kasi you need to have a pleasing personality, especially when meeting new people, especially when other people from other countries visiting your country. So you need to be, you need to have a pleasing personality and very hospitable.
Yes, that is right. Being hospitable kasi talaga isa sa mga Filipino traits natin dito. So, my next question is, what do you think about trends in the Philippines?
Ooh.
Whether it is in fashion, social medias. So, your thoughts of the trends na nauuso ngayon dito sa Pilipinas. Ano ang tingin mo or ideas mo?
Actually, I'm quite impressed ngayon sa Pilipinas kasi Philippines is getting well known in terms of trends especially dance trends in TikTok, such as the influencer Niana, the dancer. So, like almost I think anyone in the US knows her, especially dancers. So, trends from here in the Philippines, it's parang lumalawak eh. Lumalawak na sa ibang bansa, sa US. So, yung mga trend na ginagawa natin dito na nauna dito sa Pilipinas, ginagawa na rin sa US. So, doon ako natutuwa.
Okay. So, next naman is, if you are given a chance to be an artist in Japan, what kind of image that you want to portray sa Japan?
I think kung ano man yung image na pinapakita ko dito sa Pilipinas, I think yun pa rin ang ipapakita ko. Kasi I believe yun at yun lang talaga din ako eh. That's me, that's my image, and it's still my name. So Migs will forever be Migs. Kahit Miggy pa yan or Migs pa yan or iba yun pa naman ng pangalan ko, yun at yung image pa rin papakita ko. The laging masayahin, laging jolly, laging talkative, makulit, laging sumasayaw kahit walang tugtog, ganun. So, yun ang ipapakita ko sa ang image ko sa Japan. Yung kung ano pa rin ang personality ko.
So, what do you think about Japanese artists, Japanese people, and also what do you think of Japan? What comes into your mind kapag pumasok yung word na Japan?
Naruto. Well, of course, me, I love watching anime, so the first thing that comes to my mind is, of course, anime, ramen, especially as well, because Naruto loves ramen. So, I still remember when I first had my first ramen. It was back when we used to live in the UK. So, when I first had my ramen, I was like, wow, ito yung kinakain ni Naruto. Ito yung kinakain nila sa Japan. So, I was like, yes, this is nice. I also sushi, yeah. So, what comes to my mind, it's still food eh. Food pa rin eh. So, Japanese food. So, yeah, ramen.
Do you have favorite Japanese food?
Lahat kasi favorite ko eh. Wala akong pinipili eh. Pero, ramen, masasabi ko talaga. Kasi yun yung favorite ni Naruto. Yun yung any naman. That tonkatsu. Yeah, I like that, yeah.
Okay. So, that makes you hungry, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the most important thing to you?
The most important thing for me is my family. So, without my family, I wouldn't be here. Physically, of course, but mentally and, spiritually, I wouldn't be here without them. And I wouldn't know, of course, what will my life lead me to. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako mapupunta kung wala sila. Kasi hindi rin ako nag-aral. I mean, nag-stop ako sa pag-aaral ko because of my papers. So, ngayon, hindi rin dahil sa parents ko, hindi ako mapupunta dito sa showbiz at hindi ako magiging mix ko lang na kilala na ng iba. Yan.
Okay, and what is your dream?
My dream last night, joke lang. my dream is to become a successful performer or artist. I also want to be a flight attendant. So, I have many dreams, but what they say, dream big as habang bata ka pa. So, yun, isa sa mga dreams ko yan.
Okay, finally,
Again.
what is your message to all Filipino viewers and also subscribers, and also to Japanese people who will watch this interview.
Okay. Ayun, just be yourself. Don't listen to what other people will say to you. Probably just make it as an inspiration. Make the negative things or negative thoughts that they say to you as a good inspiration, so that tuloy-tuloy yung pag-akit mo sa pangarap mo. So, ayun lang. And syempre, huwag kalimutan mag-pray sa Panginoon.
Okay. Thank you, Migs Coloma, for thank you.
Thank you! Arigatou gozaimasu!